Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on 2020 Cadillac XT6. Begin with the vehicle parked and ignition in run position without starting the engine, then press the left steering wheel menu button to access the driver information center. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the vehicle information menu and find oil life. Stay calm and follow each step, and I will walk you through the reset process clearly and slowly. In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on 2020 Cadillac XT6. With the Driver Information Center open to oil life, press and hold the checkmark or reset button until the display prompts a reset. This usually takes a few seconds. Release the button and confirm when the screen displays 100% oil life or a reset confirmation message. If you see an error, cycle the ignition and repeat the steps to ensure the system registers the change. In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on 2020 Cadillac XT6. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a comfortable, durable pair backed by a lifetime warranty, perfect for garage work or road trips. If you liked this tip, hit subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on 2020 Cadillac XT6. If the reset does not take, try turning the ignition off, wait a few seconds, then return to run and repeat the reset steps. Persistent messages may indicate a sensor or software issue, so consider checking for updates or contacting service. Always confirm the oil change was done properly and that the oil cap and filter are correctly installed before attempting another reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.